diver. That diver steps to the pot. What you're shooting for is the space between those diver and that trailer. This is a really cool machine. It's called the boiler. We used to do this by hand. We just put it on the boat. That here, here's the boiler. We used to boil by hand so you can see that raw part. With the boiler, we can haul gear a lot faster. It's not as labor intensive. You take the labor intensity off your crew. Guess what? You can run hard. We didn't used to have sorting cable. We used to dump it. The pot gets double axe. I'll show you that in a minute. Every time they pass the law, we figured out a way to make it down that law. To get faster, raise it to equipment.
Going. Here it is.
I don't know. Hold up there.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Should we have an anchor in it?
This is called a dome pot. Look at that, huh? Perfect. The cool thing about these pots, you can stack them. They fit on top of each other, so if you got a smaller boat, you can haul more gear. There's a pucker strap here. And what happens is, you'd leave this in the bridle, it'd be hanging, you'd release this pucker strap, and you can see those rings inside there. Those are going to open up and it's going to spill the crab out the bottom. You can stack 20 of these at a time all over this deck. We actually fish these in the wintertime. We take all this gear off of here and we fish these.